Hi guys, I hope you all of you good. This is our eyeyaan channels and day to day I'll post new video. You want to keep support my channels and enjoy this video. Let's start now. This video, this after 2 months we'll step up for the 2025. We'll new entry for the 2026. Yes, before after the in middle of the new year. Yes, how you'll enjoy for that moment. Then this video will see the 2025 to 2026 what will take for the resolutions. Let's start now. We'll see. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe the channel so you will support this. Keep support for this channel. I engaged. I will post new video. You will see for the every day in on your YouTube. Let's start now. Yes, what resolution will take for the 2026, but you'll take before 2025 take the resolutions. Some people that keep the hand of the 2025 still now also, but now some people don't take for the resolution, take on the resolution for the 2025 still on also. Yes, why some people keep the resolutions on the end of the year? Some people don't know for the take for the end of the year. Today we'll see for this video. Now, why? Because some people's more resolution took for the 2025. You take one example. One person's A is one person's, B is another person's. A person's take and clarity take the man do only for two resolutions. Example, the man where 5 a.m. morning wake up, that one saving money only take only two resolutions. B person is this the playing the all the time, they not take correct decision anywhere. That means I go to gym. My resolution means I'm going to gym. I wake up the early morning and I take diet. This more than this B person is 10, but A person is only 2. I am wake up early morning for 5 a.m. Then I am saving money for the 2000 any year, new year. But both of the A and B start for the new entry for the new year. But the A persons keep up the end of the year, keep the resolutions without any missing day. But B is only 1 to 3 days strongly take the resolutions. After 1 week, you will take a strong. After 1 week, this give up for these resolutions. Don't keeping going on the hand of the here. This is the example. You will see this example. This A and B. A is keep end of the year keep the resolutions, but what can we do for this here? What can we do resolutions you now? What we can do for resolution? That's one we take the resolution. If you take only one resolutions on the new beginner here, that is the one you keeping on going on the end of the year, that is the success of the resolutions. But you take the whatever you don't know, but you take under you take resolutions whatever you 1 or 5 6 also 10 also, but don't keep end of the year. That's you first. If you don't keep up, we don't take resolutions before. First you set for the resolutions 1 or 2. First starting for the 1 2, but the end of the month will end of the year also keeping on keep moving on the resolutions that are helpful for this. That's why it said here, don't take for that and don't ask for the other people's what resolution do I want to, what resolutions I want to take for the 2026. I don't know. Tell me. You don't ask for this. What can you do that only you take the resolutions? Some people don't resolutions after the 2026. Some people take resolutions. You analyze your what can we do and take and the resolutions. Keep the end of the years. That only you take the resolutions. If you don't, you will not took and you don't do for the resolutions after 1 month, 1 week, 1 day. You don't take waste of the resolutions. You take only one resolutions on the 2026. You keep on the end of the years the success of the resolutions. After year 2027, the one or two add extra one two resolutions. Then there year by you want to success on the resolutions, you take the one or two enough for this. Some people take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? This is not a resolutions. This is the behavior of that 1 day. That's after you ask. Some people take 1 day till the end of the year. Tell me, I take these resolutions and I take the 5 or 6 resolutions for the 2026. But they after day you'll ask for the people and the persons that don't know what will they say for before day. They don't know for don't tell for the same resolution for the after day. First study on the resolutions. What will you do for the 2026? That will take for the resolution. Unwanted resolutions we don't take for another person's people, other persons and other people tell to you. You take these resolutions on the 2026. Never mind. That time you nod your head. That's enough. Okay guys, this video that take the resolutions and the 2026. You which resolutions take for the in 2026? If you take the resolution for 2026 in comment sections, you resolutions you write the comment sections. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. You keep support for this channel. I'll engage I am more video post on this type of my channel. Thank you guys.